Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can download the Modi's Keynote application when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a ban on the notes of rupees 500 and old notes of rupees 1000. So there was an application named the Modi's Keynote which was appeared in the market and which was hitting the Play Store and getting a lot of downloads and lot of appreciation about this application. So after few days later, then this application was removed actually from the Play Store, and other all rest of the same name applications was launched in the Play Store. So now the application is back. Now you can go ahead and download it. I'll show you right from my phone. You can see I have a Android phone. So if you have an Android phone, you can just I will just increase the brightness. You can see I have an Android phone. So if you have an Android phone, just go to the Play Store. Here the Play Store is opened. Now in the Play Store, just search for Modi Keynote. You can see the screen. Here is the application, the Modi Keynote, and you can see the logo also. And this is developed by Baraskull Studios. You can see it. Later, before it was not there. Rest all other applications were bearing the same name were there, but now this application is present and available for download and use. So you guys can no need to go to Google and search this application. It's right back in the Play Store. So go to the Play Store in your Android phone and just search Modi Keynote as I have shown here, and you can see the Modi Keynote application, and you can see the developer name is the Baraskull Studios. So just click on this application and you see the application with a good rating, and the downloads is around 5 million people and the rating is 4.2 of 50,360. So it's really good. So let me explain this application before we get started. And they already mentioned it's a fake application. It works on Xerox screenshot and original 500 new and fake notes of rupees 2000. So this application works. This video comes up in this application of the notes. I'll show you everything. And even if you have a Xerox note of rupees 500 and also the new note of rupees 500 and 2000, it works even on the Xerox note. So don't think this application works only for the genuinity of the notes. If you have a duplicate note of rupees new note of rupees 500 and 2000, even this works on that also. So don't take as it is a serious matter for identifying the good notes or something like that. It's just to spread the message of Narendra Modi. This studio have developed this application. So let us proceed further. They themselves tell in the application it's a fake app. It works on Xerox and screenshot also. So if you read more, if you click on read more, you can see all the details, how it works, everything. And the Modi speech is integrated, everything they have written in this. And down you can see the ratings and download size is around 25.23 MB, and the developer email and rest other stuff. So let us hit download and test this application. I'll click on install and accept. Now the application is downloading. Let's wait for this application to get downloaded. Size is approx 25 MB. This application was launched around back in 2-3 weeks, and the developer had removed this application, seeking a lot of people approaching this as a fake and something like that. So the application developer has removed this application, and now this application back in the market. And a lot of downloads and a lot of popularity it's getting. Even though it is a fake application, people want to experience how it works, how it the application contains a video of Narendra Modi's speech that was released on 8th. So when you just put your camera on that particular note using this application works perfectly. So just waiting for this to get downloaded. 13 MB completed, so around a few much MB yet to go. So let us wait and just developing the application this kind of, it's really tricky, and even though this application is a fake and it can bring the video in a fake notes also, though it is a powerful, and designing this takes a lot of time. So I would thank the developer Bark Skull. So we should respect this application even though it is a fake, but making this kind of application at this point of time and just letting the message and spreading the message of Narendra Modi of banning the new notes and fight against corruption and black money, it's really worth. So yeah, it has completed the download and the installation has started to begin. Just waiting for this application to get installed successfully so that we can test. I have a 2000 rupees note and also I have 100 rupees note. So let me see how it works. So let us click. The application is downloaded, and let me click on open. When you open this application, it will look something like this. And here it is telling scan rupees 500 or rupees 2000 notes. I'll click the touch screen here, and it started to load. Here you can see the camera has opened when you click the touch button, and now I have a 2000 rupees note. So let me scan and see. I'll just turn the note this way. Now you can see the application. In country's history, there come moments. See, automatically this speech came off, so you have to turn the note. So when I take off this note from the camera, the video of the Modi disappears. So if I turn the note this side and just hit the camera on that, the application, the speech comes up. Again, if I move the note, it won't come. See, again automatically it comes. And this application works without the internet, so need not worry that you need internet to run this application of Modi. That is the Modi's application, so no need to have internet connection or data pack. This speech comes automatically just when you touch the application. Now we again have If I again move this, it goes away. So let me see on 100 rupees note also if I get the same thing or not. We can see on 100 rupees note nothing is going to come. Even if I turn also, it's not going to come. Only it will work on Xerox rupees 2000 rupees note, or the real 2000 rupees note, or the new to 500 rupees note currency. So if you try on other currency notes of rupees 100, rupees 10, or any other, it won't work. So this is all about a good review, and this application is back in the market. So just want to tell you guys that this application is available back again in the Play Store. So you can go ahead and download this application in the Play Store. No need to crap your heads before, because it was removed earlier by the app developer, and now they have bought this application back in the market. So you can go to your Play Store from your Android phone and search for the Modi Keynote application and download it, and have fun with your friends and family members by sharing this application. I hope this video helped you. So thanks for watching this video, and hit like, subscribe and share this button. And Jai Hind, take care, bye bye.